So before this video gets started, if you need money right now, if you're searching for a new way to make money, don't worry, there's an app called Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery service. You're gonna go to a store, shop for groceries. I am an Instacart shopper. I go out and do Instacart deliveries. I honestly think it's pretty fun, it's pretty easy, and I make like 24 bucks an hour, 25, sometimes 30. It's a really easy way to make money, and demand is through the roof right now, guys. Through the roof. You will not be out of deliveries. They will be flying in all the time. It's up 20 times in most markets. The Instacart CEO said that. So listen to him. They are looking for new shoppers. If you want to make money, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So I know this is a very crazy time that we're in, and a lot of people have a lot of questions, and we've been tackling so many topics on this channel, but today's video, I'm focusing on the question, why is my Uber or Lyft unemployment application getting denied? Why am I not getting unemployment benefits? So if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver or a gig worker or self-employed person, this will all apply to you. So whether you drive for Uber, Lyft, whether you do Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, whether you do all 5 apps, all 20, 30 apps, whether you're a makeup artist, a freelance video editor, what if you're an actor, a model, whatever it might be, and you do Uber and Lyft on the side, and you're trying to apply for unemployment benefits because you can't drive right now, you don't want to get sick, whatever reason it might be, you're trying to get unemployment benefits. Today I'm going over all the reasons why Uber and Lyft drivers, etc. are getting denied. So without further ado, if you can please subscribe. I just want to give a big shout out to all of our 36,000 subscribers. If you can also, if you want to subscribe, just do it, subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get right into this video, why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied. So the number one reason is that states are not yet set up yet. Maybe your state isn't set up yet for Uber and Lyft drivers. Some states are, and I will just show you really quickly. This is what you want to look for on your state. If your state says something like, well, first of all, I'll just go to California unemployment benefits. And when you go here, whoops, not that one. California unemployment benefits. You want to go to your state website, whatever state you might be in. So here we go. In addition, the EDD has launched a new PUA page to keep you informed. So you want to find, it's called Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, Eligibility, America's Job. Like, if you see here, not all of these payments, not all of these websites are set up yet to handle Uber and Lyft drivers. Like there's no portal yet that says, look at this. As part of the Federal CARES Act, the new PUA program helps unemployed Californians who are business owners, self-employed, independent contract workers, have limited work history. But let's go to Pennsylvania. Look at this one on Pennsylvania, guys. They already have their state website set up. They said you can now apply weekly filings. You will not need to proceed. You can now apply for PUA expanded eligibility for individuals who have traditionally been ineligible for unemployment benefits, self-employed workers, independent contractors, gig workers. So if you're in Pennsylvania, your website has been set up yet. But if you're in one of these other states like California, you can see from this letter that this California state labor secretary, she wrote this letter. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but she said basically the website will be set up by the end of the month on April 28th, I think, or April 1st or something. They're working around the clock. Look at this. They had to employ 300 staff. So the biggest reason why people are getting denied is because the states aren't set up yet to handle Uber and Lyft driver applications. So you need to check your website. And if you're filling out the old version, so if you don't know how unemployment benefits work, I'll explain to you very quickly. It's fine. I'm sure you've never had to apply before, but basically, usually you apply for unemployment benefits through your job. Like let's say you work at Starbucks or I don't know, McDonald's, whatever. You pay into that every single month, right? Let's say you make let's say you make 15 bucks an hour. but you don't take home 15 bucks an hour because you're paying into taxes and into fees and whatever. And so that money is used to cover you in unemployment, and the company pays into it as well. But as an Uber and Lyft driver, you don't pay taxes on that stuff. So you usually don't qualify for unemployment benefits. So now these states need to basically set up whole new programs. And guys, there have been 22 million applications for unemployment people filing for unemployment in the past 4 weeks. And they used to, like, I don't know, 10, 20,000. So California has to hire 600 staff just to set up the website for unemployed for gig workers. So like, keep that in mind, but check your state, because some states are not even yet set up to handle that. So that's the first reason why people are getting denied. They're filling out the wrong application. The second reason why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied, well, that is the second one. They're filling out the second one is they're filling out the application wrong, missing information. When you file these applications, guys, at least California said, when you fill out your application, you should get approved within, I think it said 24 to 48 hours. You'll get your payment within, like, fast. But if you fill out your application wrong, like you don't put all your earnings in, or if you don't list your employer correctly, or if you had to change, if you moved states and didn't put that on the application, it could take many weeks. They said 3 weeks just going back and forth. So when you're filling out your application, make sure you have all those information correctly. And again, if you want to fill out the old application and try to do it as an Uber and Lyft driver, I've heard some people are getting approved that way, but again, that's technically the wrong application, but I guess it is working for some people. I guess it probably does vary by state, but yeah, just honestly, you probably want to wait until your state has set up the new application. And again, because they're taking so long, they're backtracking how much you're getting paid. So it's not like you're missing out on payments, because once the website sets up, all the time you've been waiting, you're still gonna get paid for that. You're just gonna get a big chunk at once. So it's called retroactive payments. So you're gonna get a big lump sum at the beginning, because you're not getting paid right now when you technically should be getting paid. So the third one is that drivers just simply don't qualify. So yes, there are qualifications. Unemployment benefits for gig workers are not for everyone. You can definitely apply and try to get them, but let's talk about really quickly why you might not qualify for Uber for unemployment benefits. So if you drive full-time, if you're a full-time Uber and Lyft driver making $2,000 a week, $1,000 a week, whatever it might be, I don't know how people make $2 grand a week. You got to be driving 80, 90 hours, but whatever. Let's say whatever, the money doesn't even matter. Let's say you rely on Uber and Lyft for your full-time income, and because of this, you had to stop driving, or you got sick, or you have a family member, or you are high risk, or whatever. You just don't want to go out and drive. Do you qualify for unemployment? Most likely, yes. You're like a perfect candidate because your earnings are being directly affected. And maybe even right now you're doing DoorDash or Uber Eats or something just to get money to get by. Is that okay? Yeah, that's in my opinion, yeah, that's totally fine. Why? Because unemployment benefits aren't here yet. So how are you gonna make money for these months while you're not getting paid? And again, the unemployment benefits, it will backlog. So you will get paid during this time, or from this time at the, once they finally kick in. So instead of getting, I don't know, if your unemployment benefits are like $1,000 a week, and instead of getting $1,000 a week, if it backtracks like 4 weeks or whatever, you'll get $4 grand in that first week or whatever. That's the language that they're saying. And so, well, what other Uber and Lyft driver is? What if you work at a restaurant and you just drive Uber and Lyft on the side? Well, if you got laid off from the restaurant, guys, you're probably gonna want to apply for unemployment benefits through that restaurant, because that's a W-2. It's much easier. And I think what the states are trying to do is trying to have people go through their companies first, and then if they don't qualify, then go through Uber and Lyft. And when you're filling out the application, guys, write that write your income for Uber and Lyft as well, so they know how much you were making and how much they need to replace your income with. That's how it works. Like, I'm pretty sure. So anyways, and then another one is who might not qualify, who might get denied, is somebody who works very, very part-time. Let's say you maybe drive once a week, once a month, whatever, you just drive big holidays. Probably not gonna, you're probably not gonna get the $1,000 a week benefits or the $600 a week benefits. Why? Because you simply, you didn't really lose that much income. I actually had a funny conversation with one of my friends. She was like, we're talking about the stimulus check, the $1,200 stimulus check, and I go, did you get, she asked me if I got mine. I was like, no, because I just filed taxes in 2019, and I don't know, it's probably they're still processing it. I was like, did you get yours? She's like, no, because I'm a dependent. My parents still, you know, I'm still dependent by my parents. And I'm like, oh yeah, that makes sense why you wouldn't get one. And she's like, well, I should get one. I was like, well, do you work? And she goes, no. And I'm like, were you working before this? She goes, no. And I'm like, okay, so there you go. The money is not for you. They're not just handing out free money to people. I mean, they kind of are, but like, if they're not handing it out to kids or people who are dependents, or if you weren't working before, like this whole stimulus bill, guys, is for people who were working and then because of the coronavirus can no longer work. So it's to replace that income. So if you weren't working before, like I'm saying, if you only drove Uber and Lyft here and there, and now all of a sudden you go, oh yeah, I want to get all this money. Well, they're like, well, you weren't really working before anyway, so what income are we replacing? And you're like, well, you know, I guess I wasn't really working anyway. They're like, yeah, sorry, buddy. You're not getting any money. Yeah, so anyways, guys, and oh yeah, and the last reason, guys, of course, is that you can't not prove, this kind of falls into filling out the application wrongly, but if you can't prove that your earnings went down because of the coronavirus, you probably will get denied as well. Like if you just show that maybe you're still getting paid the same amount of money, maybe you're like a full-time Instacart shopper. I know people who are, and they chose to still go out. It might be kind of hard to show that you were affected because you're still technically getting paid the same amount. So keep that in mind as well. The big question is, well, should I keep working these gig apps or should I stop working so it looks like I'm making less money? That's the question. You got to ask yourself that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you haven't, what are you doing? Subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. We come out with daily videos on how to make more money, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.